Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Epic Games' slow update and download speeds. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And the first up, go ahead and check your date and time right here. Right click on it and click on Adjust Date and Time. And then once done, make sure that both Set Time Zone Automatically and Set Time Automatically are both enabled. And then once that's enabled, click on Sync Now. And then after that, go ahead and close this one. Now go ahead over to your search bar and type down Control Panel. This one. Now make sure that under Category, you select Large Icons. Okay, again, Large Icons. Now go ahead and find Network and Sharing Center. In here, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now double click on the network that you are currently using. Double click, now click on Properties. Right here, find TCP IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Now copy my settings, okay? Obtain an IP address automatically. Use the following DNS server addresses: 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. And then once that's done, just click on OK. Close, 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 close everything. All right. Then go and find CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. And then just type down ipconfig space / flush DNS. Hit on Enter. netsh space winsock space reset. Hit on Enter. netsh space int space IP space reset. Hit on Enter. And then after that, all you got to do is just restart your computer. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Go ahead and check your Epic Games download, and it should be faster now. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.